Welcome to Numerically. If 12 to the power 99 minus 12 to the power 97 is equal to 12 to the power 97 into n, what is the value of n? Let's solve this interesting question today. By dividing LHS and RHS by 12 to the power 97, we get 12 to the power 99 upon 12 to the power 97 minus 12 to the power 97 upon 12 to the power 97 is equal to n, which implies n is equal to 12 to the power 99 minus 97 minus 1, which implies n is equal to 12 square minus 1, which implies n is equal to 144 minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 143. Thank you. If you liked what you saw, hit a like. For similar content, subscribe. Thank you.